Greetings! In PowerPoint you can control when an animation starts, either with a mouse click or in coordination with other animations on the slide. To start the animation on click, just apply the animation effect to the selected object. The effect will happen on click in the order in it was applied. To start animations on all selected objects simultaneously, first select the objects. On the Animations tab in the Timing group, set Start to with Previous. Now all selected animation effects will play at the same time automatically. To have an animation start immediately after the previous effect ends, set Start to after Previous. To start an animation at a custom time, set Start to with Previous. Then enter a delay time in seconds. The effect will play automatically after the specified delay.